This morning we're off to Alaska and back into the USA. The drive should be good. We actually stayed at the campground an additional day because the weather is supposed to be nicer today, and we wanted it clear if we were driving on a road called the Top of the World Highway. This road would take us 65 miles and up to 4,338 feet, which is the highest we'll have been since leaving Jasper. Considering that now we are a lot further north, it should be nice, but we were not expecting to enter alpine zones with no trees and everything. There were even huge piles of snow along the sides of some sections that just dwarfed this car. It went on and on with amazing views along both sides as we drove ridge after ridge. It is a well-named road. It really feels like you're on top of the world. I felt like I was getting closer to Santa Claus. As we neared the border, we climbed in altitude and it just got cloudier and cloudier as we went well into an alpine zone. Suddenly, we saw buildings through the fog and there was the border. Did you know we had a border crossing in an alpine zone? Neither did we. This has to be the most scenic border crossing there ever is. We're in Alaska. We made it past the border. The border crossing people were super nice. And believe it or not, this is the first, maybe the only border crossing that I know of where it's above the tree line. It's an alpine zone. So it's just everywhere around it, just covered in snow. It's beautiful. And welcome to Alaska. This is my 50th state. That's it. I've driven in every state. Haven't driven my car in every state, but that is it. And look at the beautiful views today. Nah, the clouds just kind of rolled in, but super nice. We entered the town of Chicken, Population 35 or so during the summer for some quick sightseeing, then headed towards Tok. We learned in Chicken that there are two seasons in Alaska, winter and roadwork season, as we were to find out quite a few times. After some business there and the usual resupply, we headed towards McCarthy and Wrangell St. Elias National Park and Preserve. Hello there, this is maybe our third or fourth day. We're here at Liberty Falls State Park, or State Recreation Area. It's just a campground, $25 a night here, but it's got all you need. No showers, but you know, the necessities. Basically what we've been doing is we drove through the border crossing. It's called Little Gold Crossing. It's at the top of the World Highway. It sits in an alpine area, just completely above tree line. It's absolutely beautiful there. I couldn't believe that there's any road crossing that sits like that in an alpine area where you just see snow, barren areas. It's just pretty wild. If you get a chance, drive up that way. It's closed during winters, but if you can, go up Dawson City North and come down the top of the Rural Highway. You get to visit Chicken, Alaska. We had lunch there. And then you go down, we went to Tok, got some business done. We also learned that fishing the creeks and rivers here right now isn't really plausible. The rivers are just flowing like crazy right now, so there's nothing there. We went to a visitor center. She said the water is also too cold, so the fish have just kind of swam off for now, and it's just too muddy too. A lot of the rivers are much muddier than they normally are, just because the snow melts at this time of year is going crazy. We also learned that some of the lakes, a lot of lakes, don't have any fish in them. If they're too shallow, they just freeze over completely up here, and everything dies. So we're only looking towards bigger lakes to fish. No luck yet. We haven't hit any lakes, but hopefully in the next week or so we have some luck. We're just going to stay here overnight. We're on our way to McCarthy, Alaska. If you don't know, there was actually a TV show called Edge of Alaska that ran for a few seasons. It's scripted, but it was based out of McCarthy. So we're going to head that way and go up to a glacier. And that'll be our first Alaskan glacier before we head down to Valdez. So that'll be tomorrow. So hang on till then. I know I didn't record too much so far, but we're just kind of getting in the groove with both of us in the car again and just doing stuff. And we were trying to figure out the fishing thing, and now I know don't even try unless it's a lake. But there are some stock lakes on the way to McCarthy, so we might try it on the way back. But tomorrow the weather is supposed to be really nice, and we're going to head straight to McCarthy and check out the glacier. So come on back. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care. Have a good night. First days in Alaska. Pretty nice. Oh, one black bear, several eagles, and a jackrabbit. And what else do we see? Ptarmigan, I think? Not sure. No grizzlies yet.